onto it, Droughty drops it off. Here's Hausinger moving to the middle. A shot, a save made by Brown, and he'll dive on the rebound. And then Cole knocks Hausinger down from behind, and a scrum ensues in front of the Regina net. As Hausinger got up, didn't like the fact that Cole knocked him down from behind, and the linesmen separate them, and they're both going to get the early hot water in the showers in the respective locker rooms as they're going to head off with 1:01 left to go.
Yeah, Cameron Hausinger right on the doorstep, and then he gets a shot from behind, so he heads right off, and I would expect now Droughty getting into it as well, so I would expect this last minute to...
With Luke Smith, who's a big hombre, they've dropped the mitts. There's a hockey stick in the middle of all that. Smith is a big puncher. He went from rights to lefts, and then Droughty gets a couple of lefts in there, and now Droughty will wrestle Smith to the ice, and Smith rolls over on top. Referee Curtis Howe says that's it, enough. As Cole got into it with Kustra as he was heading to the penalty box.
The emotions boiling over here in the final minute. Droughty and Smith go at it. And you kind of knew something had to happen after that, okay, two guys, they go after it, they drop the mitts, and you got to make it happen. If you do another face-off and nobody's kind of gotten that out yet, you still wonder if it's going to happen. I think we can get through the final minute now without any more, but we'll see.